think it's playtime.
It's Bingbok playtime! Bingbo!
Make sure she doesn't fall back. Actually, move her up a little so she doesn't fall back on that speaker.
Okay. She's fine, babe. You have no sense of depth. She can't, her head isn't gonna go.
I know, but she won't.